nagsalita in behalf of the family. So I do not know. Later, let's talk about it. Let's try to really let us look at the facts and other things that are associated with it as well. Ayan. JCDJ, hello, Nora De Jong, Elise, Phoenix Venterem, Francine Ibanez, Ran Manuel, Frami Style, Lady Shella TV, R. Jane Ann, Peso PR, and mabenta ang bahay ni tatay. Digong na 32 million. Piso-piso para hindi mabenta ang bahay ni tatay. 32 million tayo sa piso-piso, dami na nun, sabi ni R. Jane Ann. And if anyone's going to initiate that, in order to keep the house, preserve the house, and not to be sold and be given to private ownership that is not confined with someone who truly cares kay PRRD. I'd rather have the house be owned by the people. Ayan. Sabi ni Ate Kusmat, Miss Joey, puksain natin si Mother Canor. Ayan, oo nga, nakakaloka. Sige, sa last na lang yan, sa last na lang yan si Mother Canor. Pag-usapan muna natin yung mga dapat natin pag-usapan. Pero, putang ina mo, Maharlika, putang ina mo talaga. Diyos ko. Tanga ka. Ayan. Gail, hello. Kikoy and Bukog, Tony Pet Balabo. Mick Sernal, hello. Ayan, Missy Bagabaldo. Shocking news yung for sale bahay. It is really shocking. Ayan, Tita Oli, Avril Daisy 9. Nora De Jong, nalulungkot na ibebenta bahay ni PRRD. Sabi ko sa inyo, nakakaiyak talaga. Yes, start ulit. Kanina pa ako antay ng live mo, Miss Joey, and